All right, we're crossing live to those pictures that are coming from Akhnur, where the Swarnim Vijay Varsh is currently being held. It is 50 years of the Swarnim Vijay Varsh, and the forces are paying tribute to the Veer Naris of 1971. Gursimran is with us. Let me quickly go across to him, where the Swarnim Vijay Varsh is currently being held, Gursimran, and we're getting to know that the Veer Naris are being commemorated.
Yes, really important that this is the Swarnim Vijay Varsh commemorating the 50 years of the 1971 war, in which the brave hearts of the Indian Army, the tri-forces, they fought with valiant and they got the Bangladesh liberated from the atrocities of the Pakistan. And now in the visuals you can see Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi is laying wreath to those who gave their supreme sacrifice for the Mother India. And we have seen how Pakistan launched an unprovoked surprise attack on India on 3rd of December 1971 when this war begins. But it was all the three forces of the Indian which worked relentlessly to make sure that these blitzkrieg techniques of the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and the Navy, they all worked with each other to give Pakistan a befitting reply. And 92,000 soldiers of Pakistan, they surrendered before the might of the Indian forces. And now on the 50th anniversary of 1971, Swarnim Vijay Varsh is being commemorated. And Northern Army Commander is here in Akhnur, wherein he's laying the wreath, and after this he will be meeting and interacting with the Veer Naris, those who gave their everything for the Mother India. And now this is really very important because we have seen that 1971 war has a history and has a golden history in the chapters of India. How India gave Pakistan's nefarious designs a befitting reply, how India got Bangladesh liberated from the atrocities of the Pakistan, because we know that how before 1971 war around 10 million people from the Pakistan, they were forced from the Bangladesh, they were forced to get into India because of the atrocities that were committed by the Pakistan, because they don't feel that they are those people of Pakistan, and that led to the 1971 war. Really important is the josh of these Indian army men who are here, because we have seen that how, be it 1965, 1971 or the Kargil war, they fought relentlessly, and this is to salute those heroes. Now Northern Army Commander will be going to felicitate the Veer Naris. Yes, Amita, back to studios.
Well, absolutely good, Simran, because the Swarnim Vijay Varsh himself was inaugurated by the Prime Minister, and there was this light, the victory light, the flame that was then moving from one state to the other. And we're looking at today's commemoration of the Veer Naris who participated in the war of 1971, and those glorious days today that are being celebrated in this ceremony that is currently taking place in Akhnur. Keep talking to us more on that, Gursimran, because this has been an initiative that has already been inaugurated by the Prime Minister himself with the eternal flame that was lighted.
Yes, indeed, this is really very important. Now I'll request Gaurav to show you the visuals. These are the visuals. These are the brave hearts who laid down their life for the Mother India. And now the Northern Army Commander, he is now interacting with the soldiers, because we have seen how these are the brave hearts who have made it sure that the Mother India, the sanctity of the Mother India remains intact. And this was the wreath that was laid by the Northern Army Commander, Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi, just a couple of minutes ago. And from here, he will be going to interact with the Veer Naris of the 1971 war heroes. We have seen that how in 1971 India fought relentlessly. All three forces, they showed their blitzkrieg techniques and they have totally ousted Pakistan. How 92,000 Jawans of the Pakistan, they were forced to surrender before the Indian security forces, and led to the creation of liberation of Bangladesh. Yes, Amita.
Well, it's been 50 years that have been commemorated on the Indian-Bangladesh war and the liberation of Bangladesh. As we continue to get you those pictures, these are nationwide celebrations that are taking place. The day that is being commemorated as the Swarnim Vijay Varsh, inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi himself. And this is more than anything else as a glorious victory, Gursimran, that India had achieved, and due to which we're looking at these celebrations in multiple parts of the country that is now taking place.
Yeah, that was more than a victory in a war because it led to the creation of the Bangladesh. Because Bangladesh was facing the atrocities of the Pakistan army and the Pakistan establishment. They were not being treated as a part of Pakistan, and that was the reason the people from the Bangladesh, that is from the Pakistan, then Pakistan, they went to India. They asked India for the help, and India extended the helping hand, which led to the war of 1971. Though it was started by the Pakistan, but India gave a befitting reply to the Pakistan's nefarious designs, which led to the creation of Bangladesh. And one more important thing is that India has also proved that if provoked, India will give a befitting reply. And since then, India has proved it time and again, be it the Uri attack, be it the Pulwama attack. India has always shown that its forces has the might to do anything at their own will, but they won't do it at first. But if provoked, no one will be left. And that has what the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy, they have proved it time and again. Yes, Amita.
All right, thanks very much, Gursimran, for joining us live. Let me also go across to Shivani now, who is joining us on the phone line. Shivani, important day as far as Swarnim Vijay Varsh is concerned. We are commemorating 50 glorious years of the 1971 war, and the Veer Naris are being commemorated.
Amita, we must tell our viewers that the Swarnim Vijay Varsh this year is being celebrated in a number of such celebrations across the country. And remember, on 16th of December of 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had sparked the mashals from the National War Memorial in New Delhi, along with all the dignitaries. And these torches are traveling throughout the country, and they are going to all
All right, I can't hear Shivani clearly now, but Shivani, will come back to you for more on that because this is the Swarnim Vijay Varsh that is currently being observed as 50 glorious years of the 1971, the glorious victory that India had achieved, and the felicitation ceremony also taking place. Thanks very much, Shivani Gursimran, for joining us.